Welcome to HubMesh. Here are the developer tools and AI agents trending on GitHub right now.
Using specification, spec-kit-zh builds quality software from product specifications. But where can you watch the workflow? This project provides a localized toolkit that helps developers build high-quality software faster with AI agents. The table of contents outlines core concepts, setup guides, CLI references, supported agents, and star history. Spec-driven development makes executable specifications directly drive task breakdown and feature implementation instead of passive scaffolding. You can install the package using of tool install and initialize your project in 3 quick steps. Watch the embedded video overview to see how spec-kit-zh streamlines AI-assisted software development in action. With 7 agents, Skills for Architects automates local design workflows, but how do you practice risk-free? A maintenance patch updates the audit script to parse YAML descriptions correctly without altering any published measurements. Codex is now a supported host, bringing native packaging and portable workspaces while preserving existing project formats. The core plugin provides governance rules and shared tooling, letting your firm build custom extensions in local studio files. To extend your setup, the framework separates plugin capabilities from firm procedures using local skill locations. For a quick start, invoke the dispatcher to launch a guided course on a fictional practice project. Using a self-contained execution loop, Smart Ralph runs tasks with fresh context, but how does it keep you in control? It operates with no external dependencies, rendering your task execution completely self-contained and dependable within your editor. It turns vague feature prompts into structured markdown specifications, working just like a dedicated terminal product team. Inspired by Springfield student Ralph Wiggum, this agentic pattern avoids overthinking and sequentially finishes the next task. You install it using the Marketplace command, giving both Claude Code and Codex instance spec execution capabilities. It is approval-gated by default, pausing after each spec artifact so you maintain full control over code changes. Using one local database, papr lets your AI agent triage feeds directly, but how does it stop heavy token waste? It functions as a fast, native RSS reader alongside a dedicated CLI interface your AI agent can actually drive. Inside the desktop app, you can subscribe to feeds, organize folders, filter smart views, and sync states locally. When handed to autonomous agents, this CLI companion uses tune output to save 40% on tokens during feed triage. With opik-mcp, ask Ollie directly in chat to diagnose why your LLM experiment regressed, but stay tuned to handle sneaky host timeouts. This official server connects Claude or Cursor to your workspace to inspect traces and log evaluation scores. Running this Python package via UVEX fetches the latest version on demand without virtual and juggling. The server exposes 6 tools that cover your entire lifecycle from reading traces to running full experiments. For configuration, every environment variable like your API key sets identity and host routing simply. Watch for known host limits because Cursor enforces a 60-second timeout that progress heartbeats cannot reset. Through the Model Context Protocol, bubble-agent-mcp gives your AI client live intelligence, but can you verify its connection effortlessly? This server brings live market intelligence directly into clients like Claude, Codex, and Cursor. It clusters each independent group of discussions around an emerging topic while preserving original sources. 5 tools search conversations and fetch the highest priority topics without publishing anything. You complete installation by choosing to download an instruction file and attach it to your agent. You verify your connection by running the doctor command before completing client setup. That's the mix for today. More trending dev tools and AI agents in the next one.